Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lily. Today we are going to be making some hot wings. We're going to fry these babies up. They're going to be super good. Let me just go over the ingredients of what we're going to need to make this recipe. So of course, the first things first is we're going to need our chicken. Here's our wings. They're already cut up, ready, prepped for us to go ahead and use. Another thing that we're going to need is some salt to season, some ground black pepper, some cayenne pepper, some Lawry seasoning salt. We need some butter, some red hot original for Frank's sauce. We need some oil to fry everything up in, and then some all-purpose flour, which is going to be used to create like a crust outside of these wings. Gonna be really delicious. Stay tuned so you can see the recipe. Okay, so let's get started with seasoning this chicken. So you want to season every layer of your dish. So I'm going to add some Lawry's here. It's like what? 1 to 2 teaspoons. Some cayenne pepper. This is spicy, so just be careful with it. And then the ground pepper as well. All right. And then I'm also just going to add a little bit of just salt. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix that all up. See, it's nice and seasoned. The next step is prepping our flour. So I add some on the bottom, like that. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, again, pepper, little cayenne, and a small dash of Lawry's. Okay, you want to go ahead and mix that up. This is essentially your coating for your wings. It's going to be more flour than that, but I like to do this first. And then I add my chicken wings. Then I'm going to pour a little bit more flour on the top. And then cover them up and shake them up. I'm good. So look, nice and coated wings ready to be fried. All right, so I have my pan here. I'm gonna turn it on medium heat. I'm gonna put maybe about a cup to 2 cups. Yeah, it's more like 2 cups. 2 cups of oil. You really want these to fry, so you do need that oil. I'll show you how it looks closer up. All right, so we're gonna let that just heat up and then be ready for us to fry. All right, while we have our oil heating up, I'm already starting to prep the sauce. I have a little small pot here, put in a full stick of butter in there. And then once that melts, we'll add the sauce to it. So as you can tell, our butter is melted. I'm gonna go ahead and add the hot sauce. I'm adding a full cup, so that was half a cup. Let me add the other half. There you go. We're gonna whisk this together. All right, let's let this simmer together so that it's ready for us to lather our wings in that sauce. Okay, back to our oil. How do we know it's hot enough? Add a little toothpick. I notice it's starting to sizzle around it, so that means it's ready to throw in our wings. Let's see. There's one. 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to do 4 at a time. Something else that I did is I have 2 of these, so I'm just using both of them and layering them on top of each other because I just feel like it protects it more from just creating a huge mess when you're frying. So if you don't have some of these, you should definitely invest in some. Alright, so I'm about to go and flip my wings. So they've been there for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes already on one side, and I just need to flip them. So, flipping one, flipping the other, and the other, flipping the other wing. Putting the cover back on. Alright, as you can see, that sauce right there is already simmering, so we can definitely just go ahead and put it on low so it's ready for when our wings are all fried up. Alright, let's go ahead and check our wings. They are looking nice and crispy. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Look at that crispiness. I just want to make sure they're fully cooked, so I'm going to leave them another 2 minutes. Alright, so our wings should be ready. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Put them on this tray I have on the side. I'll show you what they look like in a moment. Look at these wings. Look at this deliciousness. Doesn't that look so good? Alright, so we're going to continue frying up all the wings, and then I'll bring you back once they're all fried and we're going to put everything together. What I'm going to do is I have my nice warm hot sauce here. I do want to add a little bit more cayenne pepper to the sauce itself, just because I want to ensure that it is hot. So here you go. I just added a little tiny bit. You guys still see? Yeah. A little tiny bit. Alright, let me mix the sauce up. Look at that sauce, guys. Okay. I'll go ahead and throw it into these wings. I'm gonna not drench them too much because I like for them to stay crispy. But look at this, guys. Oh my God. Look at how good and delicious they look. Look at that. Nice and crispy. You can hear me tossing them in this tray. Try it out. The recipe is really good. Let me know what you think.